Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Nubia Neo 5G. Firstly, open Play Store on both to install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Nubia. When you finished, go back to an Android and using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to hit allow a couple of times and then access your files. After picking all of them, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and tap on Download after Watch Ad to connect. To scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide, close an ad, and allow camera access in the pop-up. Then point your device's camera at the code and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!